So I got it broke loose in front of the fuel filter. I don't know if you can really tell by what's coming out of there, but yeah, you can see that drop. It's real cloudy. This gas is full of water or something. Doesn't even smell like gas. Probably all water. We probably drink this if you're thirsty. But I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'm definitely not gonna stay here. I'm gonna go cut the fuel pump on and see if it just sends all that bad shit on out of here. Jesus Christ. Poor deck.
Oh, okay, okay.
A bunch of fuel dumping out down there? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Still real disgusting looking. It almost smells like gas again, then.
I don't believe it.
It's smelling a little bit like gas. There's a lot of water in that shit. Hey, I got a new handy dandy tool. Yeah. Come here, Cameron. Let's get you out of there.
You think that smells like gas? What's wrong with you?
It smells a little bit like gas. I got just what the doctor ordered for this shit.
Is it an electric pump?
Fuck yeah. This fancy shit here. We got our little choo-choo pump. And we got some fuel hose. Right?
Fuel.
Yeah. And we're gonna put this into a container and dispose of it properly. Like good upstanding citizens.
Upstanding.
That's about all we're doing is standing.
I have to cut one end off.
Maybe it might fit down that fuel neck. The male end has to go in the tank. Can't wait till this leaks and blows gas all over me.
I don't believe it's that high pressure.
I know that gauge says full. Well, these gauges are notorious about being wrong.
That is true.
But it says full and there's a lot of water in there, so...
It might be full of water.
Could be! And if that's the case, I don't know how the fuck that fuel pump's still running and not rusted up. Just pump this over into the old boat fuel tank. It'll run like a scalded dog.
Yeah.
Okay, this side needs to go in. Maybe this isn't a fucking contraption. Ah, we gotta cut it off.
Is that the right side?
Yeah.
Well, it don't matter.
It's not even wet. We're not in there yet.
I think that's That's a feature to keep people from siphoning out of your fucking truck. Oh, never mind.
They can't stop me.
Hey, try it on that water right there.
Alright guys, so I literally can't show you anything else about the truck because what I'm filming right now is about 2 months in the future, because I suck at recording shit I need, and when I go to edit the videos I'm like, oh fuck, I'm missing a part. I'm missing a lot of parts in this one, okay? This is like the second upload. This video that this is for. It's hard talking in the past tense. But oh Jesus Christ. I hear you. Where you at? Come on. You getting in? Load up, little kitty. Alright. But anyway, can't show you anything because there's a lot of shit's happened to this truck. And I can't let you know any of the spoilers. But anyway, some shit that has happened that is not in this video. I checked the pressure on the Schrader valve under the hood, which I'll show you. It's right here. It was only making 54 pounds of pressure, and everywhere I read said it needs a minimum of 55 to 56 pounds because you got manual over electronic injection on this truck. You got poppets. And they said they wouldn't fire underneath 55 pounds. So I put a brand new fuel pump in it, and it made 55 pounds. I don't see where 1 pound would have hurt it that much. But long story short, I did that, and then I changed the spider injection systems. They were screwed. That's actually in this video. There's a clip of that. It's coming up next. I don't know if you can tell, but we got the spider injection system out of the truck. It was way beyond fucked. All these little poppets are just fucking caked over with carbon. This has already been brake cleaned pretty heavily. Here's a little pre-screen for the regulator. Yeah, that's pretty bad. The regulator itself, it's just shot. But there's probably 8, 9, 10 gallons of water in the fuel system. I put a pressure tester on the fuel pump, and the old one was making like 54 psi roundabout, and the new one's making like 56. I didn't even need to change that, but I did. It looks like they didn't change that one out very long ago. But I found out why there was water all in the fuel tank. They had that O-ring in there. I guess they fought with it and could not get it to go. And it was laying in the bottom of the tank. I have it here. I don't know if it was from laying in the tank or maybe they had the wrong O-ring. That's why they didn't put it on, but it was way oversized. And I had to use a new pump to get the new O-ring to get it to seal. That should be good now. We did figure out a way to make it crank to bypass the clutch switch, so it wouldn't always stay cranking. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, I just plug my little tool in right. It's a little Schrader valve right there where you can check your pressure. I just borrowed the tool from not Overhaul, AutoZone. It was like 150 bucks. You get your money back when you bring the tool back. But this clutch down here, I just bypassed it. Trying to remember the right orientation. Anyway, I just jump side to side. Don't jump across, jump long ways, side to side. And that made it to where it cranks like you have the clutch pushed in. But right now I'm about to throw this injection system back in here. Hopefully that fixes it. That injection system was $311, I believe. Fuel pump was like $150. Already too far in on this cheap ass truck, but Let's hope this fixes it on this go around. I got everything buttoned back together for the most part. Don't know what that little guy goes to. Not important. What is important is these are probably gonna leak like a motherfucker. They pretty well whipped my ass a while ago. I didn't really let them do it, but they did it whether I wanted them to or not. Anyway, it's a moment of truth. No leaks yet. Let's turn on it. Holy shit, it lives! Oh man. Yep. That happened. We got all the oil pressure. Damn it, old son. Jesus. Let's see if it goes into gear. Ain't that crazy? Alright, I don't know what our windshield wiper light or our blinkers are doing there. I don't even think they know. Fuck, man. Hell yeah. Guess I need to put the air cleaner and everything on it so I don't suck down like any baby cats or squirrels or anything in this big monster V6. But yeah, what I forgot to mention yesterday was I was putting that little spider injection system back together. Whenever you're sliding the hoses into the holes on the your poppet valves where they slide into the holes of the motor, you always got to use some kind of lube on that. There's a gasket around the very top of this thing where your wires go. Put a little lube on that so it'll slide down easier. And I don't know if I needed to, but I put some gasket maker around the intake. It has a rubber gasket built in, but I put a little bit of gasket maker just in case. Everything seems to be going great with it though. I think I need to change the fuel filter. I'll probably get to that next week. But that's all for this one. Stay tuned. See you next time.